What's up, TT Gang Gang? It is your girl Tamika, and I am back again with another video. So if you want to see exactly me doing a try on with Makiage, I'm going to be doing a product review, and no, this video is not sponsored at all. I just got their products in the mail today. If you want to see me test out this product and see if I really got a true match, please keep watching, okay? So let me open up my package. So my package came today, which is St. Patrick's Day. I ordered this last Wednesday, so it took a whole week. So here's the product. Bam! Look at the product. Oh my gosh, look how cute it is. Oh, and just to let you know that this product review is not sponsored at all. Just to give you a little bit background, I went online, did my little quiz, and then I think I found a match, but then they give you like a message, an email stating like, hey, we're going to put a hold, which is about $40-something, right? We're going to put a hold on your account, but in 3 to 4 days you will see your money go back into your account. It's just a hold, but they will not charge you unless you like the product after the 14 days. Well, your girl was still charged, so I need to make sure that they do not charge me again within 2 weeks. Alright, so in the box you get some Fetty. I'm just gonna speed this up real quick. Alright, so you get the Fetty. I got a third free gift. Well, I'm sorry, second free gift. So this is the mascara that I got. I was not expecting to get a mascara, so they said you can keep it whether if you choose to accept the product or not. So here is the foundation, which is Woke Up Like This 210. So yeah, and then there goes the brush. So I hold up both of the products because those were the two that I was supposed to get. The bristles are very, very, very soft, so I really like that. So here I'm just opening up the package, which is a little bit hard, but yep, and that's the product right there. So now I'm wiping off my makeup, and I only had on a little bit. Because I already opened up everything, you're gonna see it all on the side. So here it has a card, right? So in this card is saying apply 2 pumps to your entire face, jaw, and neckline. Then it says blend out with a brush or a sponge, not by hand. Wait 5 minutes for the foundation to set before checking the shade. Don't match to your neck or your wrist. They are different tones than your face. So finish your face with concealer, blush, and bronzer, but I'm not going to do that. Then it says wait a full week to determine if it's perfect for you. Alright, so I already took my makeup off. So this is probably a before and after of when I had makeup. So I'm telling you, I don't really wear a lot of makeup at all. I'm going to add a little bit of coconut oil as my base because I do like to protect my face a little bit. I didn't even bring my mirror. Test this product out. See what it looks like. I'm gonna just put it on my face. Do a little pump. Okay. Just a little bit because I'm not going anywhere. It feels watery. It literally does. It feels watery. I might need to put a little bit more, but okay. Alright, so now I'm gonna brush up a little bit because I want to keep this thing clean here. Ooh, not bad. Not bad at all. It's kind of, ooh, Oh ho ho, it's kind of like giving me a little tint. Oh my gosh, this is like really blending in. It's giving me a little glow, and that's what I asked for, like a little sun-kissed glow, because it does ask you if you want like a matte, I think, and like a glowy type, but I asked for a glow. A medium coverage. I didn't do light or heavy because you know, heavy coverage, I don't like that. It's just too much. And I live in Florida and I don't need all that heavy makeup. So, and as you can see, I just use a little bit of pumps. That's it. You don't need a lot. So I'm gonna just blend it up here where my hairline is. Okay. And this bottle here is just rose water, like a mist of rose water. All right, so this is my face. Oh my God, can't believe it looks amazing. Oh my gosh, this is so amazing. Request a reoccurring product, so in like 2 months is when I plan on getting another bottle, so I'm happy about that. So there are the products there. Oh my gosh, like this makeup is amazing. It looks so good. It really does. I've never had nothing like this. Alright, so we have concluded that this is really a true match for me. This is a medium coverage and it is Woke Up Like This to 10. I am extremely happy. I am satisfied. The only thing that I need to check for in 14 days, because today is the day that the product came, which is March 17th. So in 14 days, I need to keep looking at my account to make sure that they do not charge me again in the video. But please give me some thumbs up. Comment down below if you ever had ordered from like I am so shocked and so surprised at how my face looks. I don't even have on concealer. It's just my eyebrows, a little bit of mascara, and lip gloss. That's it. You guys, like to show you like my everyday look of what I would wear as far as like my makeup. I don't do full face, but you know, I can show you a makeup routine if you guys like, and that way you can see the newer products that I do have. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I'm so shocked I can't. I'm gonna go to bed like this. I'm gonna go to bed like this. It is very easy. The quiz is easy. You will not get it wrong. I thought I kind of got it wrong, but child, I think I got it right. I'm so happy. But anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. So TT gang, I will talk to you guys later. Bye, gorgeous.